5 Best Exterior Door Handles. Here is the product number 5 1PC's OEM Exterior Door Handle. 1PC's OEM Exterior Door Handle for VW Jetta MK6L5 and D837 205 CGRU brand name, Volkswagen item type, door handles 100% OEM Volkswagen car parts brand new and high quality. Fitment, for Volkswagen Jetta MK6. Here is the product number 4 OEM New Gray 1PC's Exterior Door Handle. OEM New Gray 1PC's Exterior Door Handle for VW Passat B7 Passat CC Passat B6 3C0 837 205 GRU brand name, Volkswagen item height, 7.000 cm item length, 21.000 cm item width, 4.000 cm. Here is the product number 3 for Suzuki SX4 Cross SX4 crossover. Brand name, K-Door item type, door handles item height, 0.2 cm external testing certification, ISO 9001 item width, 10 cm item length, 62 cm material type, ABS chrome special features, protection and decoration car model, for Suzuki SX4 S-Cross crossover second generation. Here is the product number 2 exterior car door handle covers. Exterior car door handle covers for Buick, Chevrolet, Lacetti, Optra, Daewoo, Nubira, Suzuki, Forenza, Holden. Chrome sticker accessories brand name, hard item type, stickers design, words category, 3D model, other type of sticker, rest of door protective film item height, 2-inch sticker placement, door and waistline type, other 3D sticker material type, ABS. Here is the product number 1 E2C exterior outside door handle. Brand name, E2C necessities item width, 11 cm item weight, 0.2 kilograms. Country, region of manufacture, China. Corolla year, 1998, 2001, 2002, 1999, 2000. Item length, 18 cm. Item height, 3 cm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.